Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, and this is the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. We are out by Lilliput's in Montego Bay. This is actually the Success Beach area, and that's Success Beach straight ahead. Now this is where they are going to be building the tallest building in Jamaica. And also it's going to be the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean, the 34-floor Moon Palace the Grand, Montego Bay. Now, to build such a building, you would have to ask, who is the contractor? Well, it turns out it's a Mexican company called Barmo Construction. And they are the company that renovated the Moon Palace Ocho Rios. Originally, the Ocho Rios Hotel was the Grand, the Sunset Grand, and Moon Palace took it over and spent hundreds of millions of dollars to renovate the hotel. And it was Barmer Construction who did it. And so now that Moon Palace is expanding in Jamaica to a second hotel, Barmer Construction is coming back to do the job. So we're going to tell you a little bit more about this project. Barmer Construction Limited is a Mexican construction and engineering company that became known in Jamaica through its work on the redevelopment of Moon Palace Jamaica in Ocho Rios. The company was hired by the Palace Company to carry out major renovation and construction works after the former Sunset Jamaica Grand Hotel was acquired in 2014. Now, as the Palace Company moves ahead with the massive Moon Palace the Grand project in Montego Bay, Barmer Construction is again to play an important construction role because of its previous experience in Jamaica and its relationship with the Mexican resort developer. The new Moon Palace the Grand Montego Bay project is expected to become one of the largest luxury tourism developments in Jamaica's history. The resort is projected to cost about US 700 million and will feature approximately 1,200 rooms, over-water bungalows, restaurants, entertainment facilities, water attractions, and what developers describe as Jamaica's largest spa experience. Barmer gained valuable experience in Jamaica during the redevelopment of Moon Palace Jamaica in Ocho Rios. That project involved transforming the aging Sunset Jamaica Grand property into a modern, luxury, all-inclusive resort. Construction works included demolition and rebuilding of sections of the hotel, modernization of guest rooms, installation of luxury suites, upgrades to pools and restaurants, electrical and plumbing improvements, landscaping, and entertainment facilities. The Ocho Rios redevelopment was a massive undertaking that reportedly involved investments between US 150 million and US 250 million. During construction, Barmer worked alongside Jamaican subcontractors including Icon Development Construction Company and project managers and Enviro planners. The Montego Bay project will likely require even larger construction operations. The resort is expected to include high-rise towers, luxury villas, marine and coastal engineering works, water systems, road improvements, and large-scale hospitality infrastructure. Reports suggest the development may become one of the tallest hotel developments in Jamaica. Alright guys, that is the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.